All right, so hello everybody and welcome on back to the channel. Only Being Chris here with a very short little Amazon haul for you all, and I've had it on my list, so I wanted to share it with you all. So hopefully everybody's doing well. If you're doing well, kudos to you. If you're having a rough day, hopefully I can bring a smile to your face. My desk is a mess, but my nails look good, don't they? They do. They look good. That's Color Street, I think it's called. So we're going to unbox 3 items today. 2 are diamond painted and 1 is acrylic painted related. I'm going to put on my glasses because my eyes look. I had a rough week, friends. I can't help it. I had a rough week. Okay. So this is from Amazon and Tribricks. I think so. There is a total of 10 in here. Now, I wanted to try these out just because I did get some items from Diamond Art Club with our advent calendar. So I wanted to try these out. They're purple, which is my favorite color. Is it your favorite color? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's take a look at this packaging right here. Coutured. I'm going to call it coutured. It's probably not the right saying, but we're going to call it coutured. Our designs are rooted in your lifestyle, and we know firsthand how important pets are to our lifestyles. I don't have a pet. I don't have a pet. That's why we created our Tribricks. I'm probably not saying that word correctly either. With a game-changing design that resists drops and knocks. No more dealing with drills scattered all over. Coutured. Open it effortlessly. Effortlessly. So let's take a look. So here is your Tribrick. Okay, and it has like the name right here. Then you open it. Oh, I don't want to ruin my nails. And here is your tray. Now, the only thing is that there's not a spout. That's okay, because I have here a perfect example of why I bought these. So I am doing some mini dazzles from Diamond Art Club. And I forget how many we have here, but let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. I don't think I'm going to put them in here, but I wanted to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So I just wanted to show you these real quick. Let's see if we can open these. I don't want to ruin my nails. So let's see how these Z815s work. So if I were to put these in here, they're a little staticky. Let's close it and let's shake it around a little bit. And let's open it back up. Well, I'm going to have to move it away. I have to get better at opening these. Okay, I'm struggling a little bit. Oh my gosh. What? Are you kidding me? I feel like deja vu here. What am I doing wrong, Chris? Here we go. So let's see how they line up. So they do line up pretty good. I like that. What do you all think? I think they line up pretty good. All right. Now, if we were to put them back in this container, how hard is it going to be? Not so hard. Okay. That's not bad. There's a lot of tapping, but I've lost 4 drills. No big deal. Now, you're all probably looking at me like, Chris, why do your little square containers here have no lids? Well, that's thanks to my daughter. She decided that she was going to make her own bead storage. She has beads, not diamonds, beads. And she decided that she was going to cut all the lids off of these, which I didn't mind. But when I went to take this out to put all these mini dazzles in these containers, I didn't realize until later that they had no lids. So there you go. So here we go. This is a 10-pack light violet, 10 large. What do you think so far? I think we can put the labels right here. I can stack them up. I can leave them in the box, like whatever I need. I probably have some wooden boxes that I can put them in, but I wanted these specifically for these little diamond paintings. So This is your Trabrix. Whatever you want to call it. You call it whatever you want it to, okay? Like, don't tell anybody either. Don't let anybody tell you what you should call it. Call it whatever you like. Okay. So, for the next one, I have to do some unboxing, like galore. So, can you see that? It says Forever Young. Forever young. I want to be forever young. I do want to be forever young. And this is also off Amazon. I will put that non-affiliate link in the description down below, my friends. But these are also similar to these. And we're going to open this real quick. Okay. And it comes in a box. And I believe you can keep this box and keep the little trigs inside. So let's see. How does this open? Is it going to open nicely for us? Let's go this way, Chris. Let's go this way. Forever Young DIY. So we have a nice little box here. Oh, now they come with some DMC stickers. What? That's really cool. And they're like holographic. That's really cool. Okay, Forever Young. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all our mini things are going to go in these, if you know what I mean, right? They are. But let's take a look. So you have your tray here. It's clear. There's no spout, but there is this little lock. Okay. And if you can see, it kind of has like 2 little things sticking out. So I guess, I don't know what the purpose of that is. Is it to like just put your finger underneath and open? Now let's try these out real quick. Let me see. You know what? I have some diamonds right here. Let's do a diamond test run real quick. These are my extra diamonds that I had. Let's put these in here and let's see how well this works out. Let's close it and shake it up. Okay. These are rounds. Okay. All right. Let me see if I can get it in frame. So yeah, I think it would be kind of easy if I can find a pen. Where is my pen at? Where is my pen? Let me see. I think it's up here. Let me grab it real quick. Hold on a second. I'm trying to not knock stuff over, okay? All right, so let's see. Here's a pen from Miss Creations by Danny. And let's see, how easy is it for me to pick up? It's pretty cool to pick up. And if I were to, I think we can definitely get it back in here. This is my little makeshift. I don't know. It's been one of those days, friends. Let's see. Okay. Oops, I lost a couple. No big deal. All right. Well, I'm liking these, so I can use both of these for diamond painting. Now, the next question I have, because if I'm going to sit here, you're not going to see this, but oh, you didn't see anything. Okay. If I were to use this box too, well, these, oh, I'm just dropping stuff. Don't mind me. Oh, okay. I'll throw the box out. So they do kind of fit. Will they fit this way? No, they won't fit that way, but you can kind of do that. Okay, that's kind of cool. So I didn't want to buy too many because I have a lot of containers upstairs. A lot of them are not emptied. So I thought this would be perfect. And it's a traveling size. And I have seen these tiered ones. Creepy noises in my house. I have seen these. These were a clear one. So yeah. All right. So I will be right back. Let me go see what that crazy sound is. Okay. So next, let's take a look at these DMC codes. Because I think these will come in handy. They're a little bent. But look at how cool these are. They're really cool. So they start at $150. And yeah, so you don't have any that have ABs, but the paper is really cool. And then you even have, you have like A, B, you have like the alphabet kind of. Yeah, you have the alphabet here, but that is really cool. All right, so I'll leave this in the description down below for you all to look at. Let me know if you have these and how do you like them? And what is your downfall? What's your pros and cons of them? I would like to hear. Let me know. So the next thing I want to show you is something really cool for you teachers and moms and crafty ones out there, all right? So here we have a special Christmas holiday, not particularly Christmas. It could be for anything. It could be for Hanukkah. It could be for Christmas. It could be for whatever. They are snowflakes, 36 of them. You ready? 36 little snowflakes. Oh my gosh, look at them. They're so cool. But I want to do a test run on these and see. Oops, I knew that was going to be a loud plastic, so I apologize. But it comes in this really cool, like, wooden box. Let me mute for a second so you don't hear all the crinkling. Okay, so we have these cute little ornaments. Okay, and they're like a very thin wood. Not bad, but this would be great for like teacher gifts. Gosh, that scared me. Oh, that's a pretty picture of me and my sister. Oh, look at that. My hair looked good. Teacher gifts, gifts for your friends. You know, everybody likes an ornament on the tree, but you can also put this like on your window. You can put it on your wall, whatever, but it's really fun. So let's take a look at one that we would like. So there's about 3 colors of each, I think. Nope, there's some that are mixed up. They're different styles. But let's see one that's kind of easy. You know what this is? Is this the same? No, it's not the same. Something that's easy. They don't look easy at all. We have this one. Oh, and they come with string. They come with the candy cane string and some regular brownish twine. There you go, twine. And you can kind of just loop them in and, you know, do whatever. But, oh, I broke it. That's what I did. I broke it already. Jeez, Chris. God, you're breaking stuff? All right. I didn't want that for anything anyway. But let's put this aside and let's do a little time-lapse video of making this beautiful little snowflake into something special. All right, let's see. I don't want to use white. I'm going to use, maybe I'll use a blue. I'm feeling a blue. Let's see about maybe a bright blue. Let's do this blue. This blue, what do you think? A nice blue? We'll use that. All right, I'll be right back. Right? Like, I'm not going to do the backside right now, but I will do that on a rainy day, which is probably later on today. But let's try this out. Let's see. Now, there's also other things. So if you are a teacher and you want to do this as a gift for the parents, you know, because we do that in our school. We make 3 ornaments for our parents. Shh, don't tell anybody. And what we do is we put glue all around and or we put what do you call it, like what is that glue called? The glue sticks. Glue it all, and then put it in a container. Let the kids pick out whatever glitter they want, put it in the bin, have them shake it up, of course, with the lid on, and then you get this beautiful snowflake that just sparkles. It's like a sparkle diamond painting. Or you can put some glue on here and make yourself a diamond art snowflake. So it works out well. But yeah, you can put this on your tree. this is fun. This was very cheap. I'll also put the link in the description down below as well. Now, the last thing I have to show you all is, of course, it's going to be markers. What type of markers, you say? Well, it's just simply black. Like my soul right now. My shirt, sorry. I didn't mean my soul. I meant my shirt. I really enjoy these acrylic markers. They're a dual brush pen, okay? And the reason why I like these is because of the fact that they literally, I love a brush, okay? I love a brush, but like let's do a 2 and a 5. This is the brush. And then let's just see. So the brush is so cool, but I love a fresh tip. I love it. And then let's go over to our small one, which is our fine right here. And let's do, there we go. Now, is it really 25 days of Christmas? I'm not sure yet, but I love these pens. Very cheap, and they last me a really long time. You can tell that I have plenty of them. I have plenty, but I use a lot of black. But these are great to have. You get 12 colors. I will leave the link in the description down below. These are great for wood, ceramic, paper, canvas, whatever you'd like. And if you're doing like special name tags for the holidays, they work on many, many, many things. They don't give us the details here, but they are non-toxic, waterproof, massive coverage, write smoothly, UV protected. So there you go. This is my little shop haul on a Friday where we are getting some snow showers today, friends. It is like 30 something degrees here in Jersey, 36 degrees here in Jersey. Yes, it is. And we are going to start our Friday night by me editing this video and getting up by Saturday. What do you think? So there you go. That's my little shop haul. I will leave the links in the description down below. Thank you all for joining me. We had some diamond painting accessories, which we haven't gotten in a while. I mean, besides the Diamond Art Club, we got accessories to go with our Diamond Art Club accessories. Yes, we did. But yeah, there you go. And I do have a special video coming out in a couple, I'd say like maybe a week and a half, but I will do an unboxing of it. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed and you're thinking about subscribing, please do so. It would make me super duper happy. If any 2 people out there want to, subscribe to my channel so I can get back up to 400, do it. Share the channel out, share it on your social media, come over and join me on Instagram, whatever it is. The numbers don't matter. You all matter. I love doing these videos for you all. But yes, I will be doing an unboxing in about a week. I'm hoping that it comes in next week, maybe next weekend even. And I'm really excited about this. I'm not getting my hopes up too high. It may not be a great quality, but it might just work out, okay? I'm excited to share that with you all, but love you all. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Remember to do something every day that's going to make you feel good. Diamond painting, watching a movie, watching Vampire Diaries, Pretty Little Liars. Stay off the YouTubes. Stay away from the toxic people. Somebody's calling me. That's my husband. I got to rock and roll, friends. Bye.